Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance with the Snoop app. Now, before you think this is about the DOGG himself dropping financial wisdom, hold on a sec. This Snoop is all about taking a peek at your spending habits and helping you, well, keep more money in your pocket. So, the big question, is the Snoop app worth it? We'll crack open this financial Snoop Dogg and see if it can help you avoid a financial FO shizzle. Let's talk money management. Let's face it, keeping track of your finances can feel like wading through a swamp of receipts and bank statements. Budgeting? More like budget blues. That's where apps like Snoop come in. They promise to be your financial bloodhound, sniffing out unnecessary spending and uncovering ways to save that hard-earned cash. What does Snoop do? Snoop works by connecting to your bank accounts, securely, we hope, giving you a one-stop shop for all your financial transactions. No more juggling apps and websites. You can see your spending categorized, track upcoming bills, and even get alerts for potential overdrafts. But Snoop goes beyond basic budgeting. It uses its financial bloodhound skills to sniff out areas where you might be overspending. Think subscriptions you forgot about, or sneaky bank fees. It can even suggest cheaper deals for your bills, like phone plans or internet providers. Free or fee? Here's the thing with Snoop, there's a free version and a paid Snoop Plus version. The free version gives you the basics, transaction tracking, bill reminders, and some money-saving insights. But Snoop Plus unlocks the real power, with features like custom spending targets, detailed reports, and the ability to track your net worth. Is Snoop right for you? So, who should consider Snoop? Here are some Snoop troopers this app might benefit. Budgeting beginners, feeling lost in the personal finance jungle? Snoop can be a great guide, helping you understand your spending habits and make informed financial decisions. Bill busters, do you feel like you're constantly getting ripped off by hidden fees and unnecessary subscriptions? Snoop can help you identify those sneaky expenses and find better deals. Data-driven decision makers, love seeing your finances laid out in charts and graphs? Snoop Plus provides detailed reports to help you understand your spending patterns. But hold up, Snoop might not be for everyone. Privacy purists, the idea of an app connecting to all your bank accounts might make some folks nervous. Snoop assures security, but if you're super privacy conscious, this might not be the app for you. Financial fiction fans, Snoop is great for getting a grip on reality, but it won't magically make you a millionaire. Don't expect Snoop to replace sound financial planning and responsible spending habits. Feature fiends, the free version is good, but some key features are locked behind the Snoop Plus paywall. Consider if the extra features justify the upgrade before hitting subscribe. The verdict, Snoop Dogg out. So, is the Snoop app worth it? It depends on your financial needs and comfort level. The free version is a solid option for anyone who wants a better overview of their spending and some basic money-saving tips. If you're looking for more advanced features and a deeper dive into your finances, Snoop Plus might be worth the upgrade. But remember, it's your money, so make sure the Snoop-approved features are the ones you actually need. Ultimately, the Snoop app can be a valuable tool to help you take control of your finances. But don't forget the power of responsible spending and setting realistic financial goals. With Snoop by your side and a little financial discipline, you might just avoid those FO shizzle moments and keep more cash flowing your way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on hustling and stay financially informed.